canvas cover. Sublimation print on the top. Let me open it up. Let's flip through inside cover, but I want to show you this page. This is the front inside cover. We have a 2023 year at a glance, and you flip it over to 2022 year at a glance. This is a 2023 journal. This is for December, the last week in December. I put an embellishment, and she can put notes right here. Little to do. These are slit pockets, and this is my little note to her. And I'm not going to read it, but it's for her. Thanks for putting in the continuous hours to make your dreams come true. I'm going to let her read it because it's a treat for her. And let me put this back. I made this butterfly. Can you see this butterfly? Let's see. This butterfly. Yeah, there it is. This butterfly is resin with beads inside. So we took extra care in getting it done. As you can see, this is the inside front. This planner belongs to, and this is my granddaughter, Visions and Goals. It's here is the visions and goals on this side, so she can plan ahead. It's broken up by quarters. First quarter, we have a special treat here, and this is journal card, pretty fly for a small fry. He's my hero. He's our hero. Family memories. And I put their names on the back. Kasia and Naquanda. And she can just put that in her pocket. And she's having a moment. And this page is Naquanda, Kasia, my hero. Always look on the bright side. And we also have I appreciate it when, and she can journal right there. Okay. Next, I feel so special when. You see that? And then we have pictures of her, fun stuff. Can't take enough pics. More on this side. Bliss. And then we have bundles. Another journal space. You can space and do journaling. Here's another journal page. Live colorfully. Make it happen today. More journaling. This is my happy place. More journaling next time. More journaling, the best. More journaling, a day in the life. More. This one, girl boss. Don't quit your daydream. This is my granddaughter. I am so looking forward to this page. I do what I want. Congrats. Congrats. I also made it could be a bookmark, but it's also a pen holder. So you can hold your place in your book. And I put these little tassels and some gemstones on the end. So right now I have it holding here. And as you can see, we're starting the calendar It's broken by months: January, February, March. It fell in the first tab, so this is the first quarter. And this is the layout of the journal as presented in the first quarter tab set. Then we move on. Each tab set, this is the second, and it's filled with different ephemera that I made myself. This is pictures of her. Joy. This is from a napkin, and I just sewed it all on. This is in remembrance of her grand opening. It was on the inside, on the left side pocket here. Positive energy. It's filled with beautiful sentiments. This one, her birthday falls in the second quarter, so I just stuck a happy birthday there. But on this side, I have some journal cards that I made. Congratulations, you did it. And this calls for, and she can fill in, because by the time she gets this book, well, in 2023, it's going to be her anniversary. And sneak preview, I made this birthday card. I love the embossing, so I embossed it, and they gave me a gift of these beads, her sister, and I just used some beads and rhinestones and ribbon and put this together. It came out really, really nice. All right. One thing that impressed me today, more journaling, and this journal page here is Laugh Out Loud, and this one is Bundles. Oh boy, more. The craziest thing I saw today. She can just write. Another journal page, and that's the second quarter. You see, it'll be second quarter. Next, we're going to move into the third quarter. And the third quarter, on the transparency, I have always wear your invisible crown. I thought that was nice. And keeping it real. And currently feeling hugs, sweetness everywhere. And here, it's like mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all? Oh, happy day, bundles, an arrow pointing forward. And I have to show you this page. Look at this. This is a big pocket. You can put whatever you like. But here, they also do, she specializes in makeup and eyebrows and eye candy, and there's beads and stuff all around for the eye candy. But this one, I made a journal card with her name, Quanda Blessed. She likes butterflies, and on the back, grateful, thankful, blessed, and that'll go in here. Also, if you take a look, this is another bookmark. I put two because this is a big book, and you might want to hold your page here, but you also want to go back and flip and find the other bookmark and bookmark another place in the book. So currently working on, and I put journal prompts. Today was beautiful because, and the best advice she ever got, or whatever she want to give out, some best advice, she can write it here. And add it to my bucket list. And this one, to be honest, and you can fill in the blanks. And I love you more than, And then we're just going to get into the months of August, September, October, which is the beginning of the fourth quarter. And in the fourth quarter, we have a beautiful thankful on a flower. Yeah, right there, thankful on a flower. And then on the opposite side, I love it when. And the fourth quarter, looks like it's a dream catcher. It's beautiful. I just love this journal, this planner journal. Okay, on this side we have some more journal cards. This is Naquanda, and she can write on the back here. Inside of this embossed pocket, this side is another pocket. It says I needed that, and I filled it up with all kinds of stickers. Yes, you are magical, on the agenda, be you, positive mind, positive vibes, you are the real deal, goals. And this card says I needed that. And this is a picture of the flowers that she has on her reception desk when I visited her. Okay, and this side, let me go here. All the love. And here she can journal on this side, and she can also journal here. I'll always remember. And this is an envelope, but it has a little journal card inside, behind the scenes. You can slip it here. You can also slip anything you want in these pockets. You can put stuff in, but don't forget where you put it. Make use of the ribbons, your bookmark pages. And this is the other side, which is a journaling card there. Then we have bundles and another journaling place. And this you can stick stuff into, and I stuffed this in. Love nutrition facts. And you can also write today, what you did today. On this side we have lessons learned. Give it all you got. It's just one of those days right there. Can't wait to. Journaling spot. And this is another, I love this too. I always wanted to see, but what I really like is this design here. And embossed butterflies. So awesome. And here we have another pocket, and it says today turned out to be. Flip it over, you can write some more stuff, journal cards. And on the reverse side I have another journal card, and this one says created to create. And then we'll just get into the rest of the months, which is October, November, and December. And it has places for you to plan for the month. It has your budgets, and then at the end you just have a space for your January 24, because that's the end of the year coming up, so you can get a jump start on your 24 planning. Your monthly budget is for the month of that month. We also have places for notes. You can write notes throughout, back and forth. And then I like to share the inside back cover. cut out this flower. It's from Tim Holtz, and this says, "Let us be grateful to the people who make us happy, for they are the charming gardeners who make our souls blossom." And various, I used some of everybody's stuff here, stamps. This is another journal card, dragonfly, symbols transformation. She can journal on the back of here. And just to help out with January 24, we have the month of, and then the first week on a little pull-out card. And oh yes, she believed she could, so she did, and the best is yet to come. So Naquanda, I hope you love this book as much as I do. It was a labor of love. This is the back cover. As you can see, it has her photos, and it also has other photos of her. So I sort of sublimated the back. It's on fabric and cardboard, and the book features a hidden spine. So it turned out to be a beautiful book. And enjoy. I hope you enjoyed my flip through.